As a wedding filmmaker, I'm always on the hunt for new, innovative gear to help me create better films for my clients. And on this channel, you've seen me test everything from cameras, lenses, gimbals, tripods, and the list goes on. Well, today I'm trying out a super unique product that you might not think would work in the wedding field, but it can capture certain types of cinematic shots that would be impossible to get without it. This is the edelkrone DollyONE V2. If I was to sum up what this product is from a wedding videographer's perspective, it's like having a robot second shooter. You'll understand what I mean by that shortly. If you're new to the channel, my name is John August. I'm a wedding filmmaker based in Vancouver, Canada. This video is sponsored by edelkrone, so let's get into it. The DollyONE V2 is a compact motorized dolly that doesn't require any tracks and is fully controlled via their app. This is a game changer for solo creators, helping you get shots to elevate your films. It's powered via NPF batteries. There are 2 slots here, but you only need one plugged in to give it enough power to operate. It weighs 6 kilograms, which is about 13.29 pounds, and has a payload of 15 kilograms, which is 33.7 pounds. And it works with pretty much any tripod. There are these included straps to keep your tripod locked in. It's compatible with all versions of the edelkrone Head Plus and Head 1. It works wonderfully on smooth surfaces, but can also tolerate some uneven surfaces as well. Remember how I mentioned that this is a robot second shooter? Well, let me explain what I mean by that. Usually you would ask your second shooter to get certain shots for you, but with the DollyONE, you can program it via the app to get the shots that you need. And you're not really limited with the type of shots you can get, especially when you pair it with an edelkrone head or a gimbal. Let's take a deeper look. Starting off, if you want to use this app as a remote control to rip your camera around and get whatever shots you can possibly imagine, it allows for that. There are little electronic touchscreen joysticks here that are a lot of fun to use. At the bottom here, you'll see some options: point mode, key pose, time lapse, and stop motion. Point is my favorite mode to use when paired with the Head Plus V3. The camera will stay locked on the point I've chosen, while the DollyONE V2 moves to its different positions. You can go even more advanced with it and add 6 different points. But most of the time, especially for wedding videography, I'll just stick to one point. We'll get to some examples shortly here. There are 3 paths of motion to choose from: a straight line, an arc, or freeform. Let's take a look at these 3 different options, starting with line mode. You can either use your hands to move the DollyONE to its first position that you want, or you can use the joysticks. After choosing the first position, I press and hold down to store that position. Now I'll choose the next position that I want. Then I'll hold down again. Now you can add more positions if you want as well. I've already set my point that I want the camera to focus on, so I can go ahead and start the motion. In arc mode, the camera will arc in motion between the positions you chose. In free mode, I like to choose several different positions for the DollyONE to travel between. This is sweet because you can get some unique routes for your setup to take. The app gives you the flexibility to change the acceleration and speed of the motion depending on the look and feel you're going for. And I know some people will say, why don't you just use a gimbal? You can walk around and achieve similar types of shots. Well, for one, your videos won't be as smooth and it will require you to move around instead of automating it via the app. That being said, when you pair a gimbal with the DollyONE V2, you can get some incredible shots. Pairing the DJI RS5 and using its tracking feature lets me set my parameters of motion with the DollyONE, while no matter where I move in the frame, the gimbal will track my movements. This setup is more ideal when there may be variation between the takes. You can guarantee you'll lock in without always having to have the same path of movement for yourself. For self-filming, this is a great setup. So here I set up a scene of me getting ready for a 100-meter sprint. I chose the line path of motion for the DollyONE movement, which portrays a push-in style shot. I've enabled subject face tracking on the RS5, so the gimbal will follow my face no matter where I am in the frame. I've started the motion via the app and the camera is locked in on me while I'm kneeling down, prepping for the sprint. When I set off here, I spring upward and the gimbal adjusts the framing accordingly. I set up the scene again with the DollyONE pushing in from an angle. When trying to get these quick, snappy shots, pairing your gimbal on the DollyONE is the perfect choice. Now, let's look at a cinematic example video sequencing some shots together. Well, that is my video of the edelkrone DollyONE V2. Edelkrone is working on coming out with more features in their app, so this product's really only going to get better and better. If you want to learn more about it, click the link in the description. I've also linked some of their other products that are compatible with this setup, so make sure that you check those out as well. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.